how to use phase invert. Now one of the remaining options is the phase invert function. By using phase invert you can flip the generated waveform upside down. And this is literally, you can invert the signal the oscillator is producing. Now just like the phase offset setting, you don't really notice the effect when you only have one active oscillator. However, when you add another one into the mix, these phase differences will clearly show. And speaking about showing, let me show you that right away.